Versatile Infotainment provides thousands of informative videos of our viewers. If you want more informative videos, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's go our topic.
American model and reality TV personality Kendall Jenner was born. The net worth of Kendall Jenner is $60 million. The most well-known aspect of Kendall Jenner's career is her participation in the reality television series Keeping Up with the Kardashians with her well-known relatives. In addition, Kendall is among the world's top-paid models. She made $10 million from June 2015 to June 2016. Compared to her earnings of about $4 million the year before, that is more than twice as much. From June 2016 to June 2017, she made an additional $10 million. She made $22 million down from June 2017 to June 2018. She made almost $12 million in 2019 from her several pursuits: social media posts, appearance fees, and endorsement agreements with brands like Calvin Klein, Estee Lauder, Marc Jacobs, Fendi, Karl Lagerfeld, and others provide Kendall with her income. Childhood. The daughter of TV celebrity Kris Jenner and retired Olympic decathlete champion Caitlyn Jenner, previously Bruce Jenner. Kendall on November 3, 1995. Nicole Jenner was born in Los Angeles, California. She is from a huge mixed family that includes 8 half-siblings from both of her parents' previous marriages, as well as her younger sister Kylie. The Kardashians, Kourtney, Kim, Khloe, and Rob, Brandon Jenner of the indie pop duo Brandon Ailey, and actor Sam Brody Jenner from The Hills are some of her most well-known half-siblings. Jenner was reared in Calabasas, California, with Kylie and the Kardashian family. She first attended Sierra Canyon School before deciding to homeschool in order to pursue her modeling career. 2014 was her high school graduation. Today, a career in modeling. Till I said. At the age of 14, Jenner got a contract with Wilhelmina Models in July 2009. Her first modeling assignment was in December 2009 and January 2010 for Forever 21's Rocker Babes with a Twist campaign. Jenner walked for designer Sherry Hill during Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week in September 2011 and was featured in Teen Vogue in April 2010. By the end of 2012, her career had taken off and she was featured on the covers of several magazines, including Flavor Magazine, American Cheerleader, Teen Prom, Looks, Rain, Genlux, and Lovecat. She had also scheduled advertising initiatives for companies like Leah Madden and White Sands Australia. Jenner collaborated with Russell James, the Victoria's Secret photographer, and was featured in Curve, Miss Vogue Australia, and Harper's Bazaar Arabia, among other magazines. She also participated in the Sydney and Los Angeles book launches of James Nomad 2 Worlds, Australia book. As a result of this collaboration, Jenner's work began to focus more on high fashion, and in November 2013 she signed with the Society Management. High-profile companies like Marc Jacobs, Givenchy Chancel, Donna Karan, Diane von Furstenberg, Tommy Hilfiger, Fendi, Bottega Veneta, Pucci, Dolce & Gabbana, Balmain, Victoria's Secret, Hem, Oscar de la Renta, Vera Wang, Givenchy, Miu Miu Miu, and Dior have all used Jenner as their model under Society Management. In November 2014, she was designated as an official ambassador of Estee Lauder. She inked contracts with Calvin Klein jeans in March 2015 and Pen Shop in May of the same year. She joined the Chilean retail company Paris in April 2016, and she appeared in a La Perla ad in 2017. She has been featured in Vanity Fair, Harper's Bazaar, GQ, and a number of international Vogue issues, among other notable publications. Instagram revenues. Kendall is among the top 15 celebs with the most Instagram followers. One Instagram-sponsored post can bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars for Kendall. She allegedly received $250,000 in 2017 in exchange for promoting the disastrous Fire Festival. Now, for a sponsored post, Kendall can make between $100 and $150,000. Kendall Jenner net worth history. 2011, $500, thousand. 2012, $1 million. 2013, $5 million. Southern near the 2014, $10 million. 2015, $13 million. 2016, $18 million. 2017, $23 million. 2018, $31 million. 2019, $40 million. 2020, $45 million. 2021, $50 million. 2022, $55 million. Real estate portfolio of Kendall Jenner. Kendall purchased her first piece of real estate in 2014 when she paid $1.03 million for a condo in Westwood, California. In June 2017, she attempted to sell the condo for $1.06 million, but in order to find a buyer, she ultimately had to reduce the price to $1.05 million. Kendall sold her house in the Hollywood Hills for $6.85 million in 2017. After purchasing the property in 2016 from actors John Krasinski and Emily Blunt, she made about $350,000 from the sale. Jimmy Kimmel was a resident just over the road. The home was purchased by Blunt and Krasinski in 2009 for $1.86 million. Kendall paid $8.55 million for a 5-bedroom Beverly Hills property in October 2017. The new Beverly Hills residence is located in Mulholland Estates, a gated enclave with substantially greater security. However, it should be mentioned that there were 5 burglaries at Paris Hilton's Mulholland residence. Christina Aguilera is her neighbor next door nowadays. Additional creative activities. Jenner has not only modeled but also dabbled in camera work. Her first published picture shoot was styled and taken on Kaya Gerber, the supermodel Cindy Crawford's daughter, for Love magazine's 16th anniversary issue. City of Indra was co-written by Jenner, her sister Kylie, and ghostwriter Maya Sloan. Enterprises in business. Jenner has landed several profitable business collaborations with the Kardashian family and her younger sister Kylie. She co-authored 2 nail lacquers for the Kardashian Colors nail polish range by Nicole by Opie in 2011, and together, she and Kylie eventually made a profit of $100,000. Other projects the Jenner sisters have worked on include the Metal Haven by Kendall Kylie jewelry collection that debuted in 2013 with Maskell Muawad's Glam House, the Kendall Kylie Topshop collection that debuted in 2016, the Kendall Kylie collection with Paxion that debuted in 2013, and the 2014 shoe and handbag line for Nordstrom that falls under Steve Madden's Madden Girl line. In addition, the Jenner sisters collaborated with Whaler Rock Industries to release a paid subscription mobile app website for each of the Kardashian sisters in September 2015. In 2016, the Jenner sisters launched the Kendall and Kylie app with Glue Mobile, which was a spin-off of their elder sister Kim's app, Kim Kardashian. Disagreement? Jenner is accustomed to controversy and negative public opinion. Jenner received $250,000 for an Instagram post announcing the upcoming Fyre Festival in January 2017. The Fyre Festival was widely regarded as a phony event riddled with corruption and inefficiency, and Jenner faced backlash for her promotion of it. She starred in the Live for Now Pepsi ad in April 2017. After receiving harsh criticism for trivializing the Black Lives Matter movement and demonstrations against policy brutality, the commercial was only airing for 1 day. When she and her sister Kylie introduced a collection of t-shirts in June 2017 with photos of well-known bands and performers like Pink Floyd, Metallica, Tupac Shakur, The Doors, and the Notorious B.I.G., she found herself in hot water once more. The photographer whose picture of Tupac Shakur was utilized even sued the sisters for copyright infringement. Several of the featured artists' estates filed stop and desist letters. The sisters apologized in public after taking off the clothes. Personal life. In contrast to her siblings, Jenner keeps the specifics of her romantic relationships private.